Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of Dragon City with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So this fully works, guys. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So this is a very easy tutorial for most gamers who are proficient. So just go to your browser and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. So once you're on the site, guys, you're going to see a ton of modded apps. So just go to the search bar and type in Dragon. And as you can see, there's the Dragon City mod. So I'm going to press on it. And now we're just going to wait for it to download. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, it should download pretty fast because I have a good internet and everything. So yeah, this is not going to take that long. And then you'll have a Dragon City mod on your device, guys, and you'll become a king of Dragon City, as you saw with my device. So anyway, guys, before we get it onto our device, we have to do the final step. So let's wait for it to load, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it should say like please install some apps to automatically install the Dragon City mod. So you need to download like 3 of these apps. They're all from the App Store and they're completely free, but the reason that people mess up is because they don't read the instructions. So Alibaba says run for 30 seconds, Tester Up says down and install reach with valid personal information. So as long as you like read the instructions, you're good to go. But bear in mind, guys, depending on where you live, you might see completely different apps. So I can't guarantee that you're going to see these apps. These are just the ones that showed up for me. This will work on an iPhone as well, but it will just be redirecting you to the App Store instead. So just make sure you download like 2 or 3 of the apps. They have a chat bot here. You can actually ask for help, which is super funny. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. If you guys enjoy Dragon City, because this actually works, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because Dragon City is not a game that most people can handle hacking in because it's like associated with no hacks. But I found the work in Dragon City hack and I just showed you guys how to download it in this video.